In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up business email with GoDaddy step by step. First, sign into your GoDaddy account, open your browser, go to the GoDaddy account page, and enter your login details. Once you're in, look to the top right for your profile icon. Click it to reveal your account options, then go to My Products. This is where GoDaddy lists everything you own or manage, and it's the quickest path to the tools we need for creating your business email. Inside My Products, find the Websites plus Marketing section. This area ties together your website and related services, including email. Click Manage next to the product you're working with to open its dashboard. From here, locate the Email and Setup option. Go ahead and click it to start creating your mailbox. If you have multiple domains or services, this page helps you choose exactly where your new email address should live. Now it's time to configure your email details. Select the domain you want to use for your business email, especially if you own more than one. Choose a username. This becomes the part before the @ sign, like info or your first name. Keep it short, professional, and easy to remember. Set your display name, which is what recipients will see in their inbox. You can use your full name, your company name, or a combination that looks polished and consistent. Create a strong password you can safely store using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This protects your brand and your inbox from unauthorized access. You'll see a field labeled Send Account Info To. Enter an existing personal email address you can always access. This is important for confirmations and account recovery, especially if you ever get locked out or need to reset your password. When everything looks good, click Create. GoDaddy will begin provisioning your mailbox. That can take a few minutes, and if your domain is with GoDaddy, the necessary settings are usually handled automatically in the background. Keep an eye on the personal email you provided for a confirmation message. It will include helpful details and next steps. Once your mailbox is ready, you can start sending and receiving messages with your new professional address. If you plan to add this to your phone or desktop mail app later, those instructions are typically included in your GoDaddy email dashboard and the confirmation email. That's it. Your business email is set up, looks professional on every message, and is backed by GoDaddy's management tools.